Molweni namkelekile nonke kweziChisebe Entertainment, andazi noba ndiphethe indaba ezimnandi okanye indaba ezimbi, but niyakhumbula last year kumnakwethu uDr Andile Dlamini watrenda kakhulu ke last year ezinkundleni zokuxhumana emveni kokuthi aye ku-reality TV show umnakwethu apho ke wayeyocela kwi-first wife yakhe uMazondi ukuthatha i-second wife. Kwathiwa xa sekuthiwa sicela ukubona kaloku u-second wife ozomthatha kwavela ipikinini upinkipinki umntana ke sana, and everyone was like, hayibo ithini ngoku into ka-Dr Dlamini, because lo mntana, in as much as at that time bona babesixelela uba una 20 years, thina as viewers you can't tell me that the entire of uMzantsi uyahlanya. Sasenibona into yoba no, ngupinkipinki nguBarbie doll lona. Even the wife uMazondi watsho uba hayibo uzogqiba nini ukufunda ngoku ubhizi uphansi phezulu namadoda abantu, you even want to be a second wife at your tender age njani ke sana. Yaxabanisa ke lonto, even umnakwethu wayorepota kwi-BCC into ba lento abayenzayo is pedophilia nje. Yathethisa kakhulu shame episode yabo. Fortunately or unfortunately, andazi guys nini enzozikhethela, izolo bebechata, okay, izolo bebechata. So I guess a huge massive congratulations to Dr Andile Dlamini, Mzimbo Khalimali, and unkosikazi wakhe ke wesibili uMajele. So abantu khona abathi hey kubo bonke kulaba abantu abake bavele lapha kumnakwethu kuyaqala ukuthi kuze kufikele lana. So siyabonga Dr Andile Dlamini ngeqiniso lakho. Khona ke abamgxekayo umntwana bathi hey siyakuvuma ntombi unesibindi, indlela owathukwa ngayo ngenkathi wawuvela lapha ke kumnakwethu. Mina if ngangikwi izicathulo zakho definitely ngangizozibulala, but ke baphinde bamncome bathi lokhu kubonisa ukuthi uzokhona ukuvusa umuzi wakwaDlamini. Guys, your thoughts must engage and ngibona ku video elandelayo. Bye.